If you don't invest 5% of your budget in the marketing research, you don't know what you're doing, right? So because investing the 5% of your budget, it's not superfluous, right? So it's a key to understanding your customers, serving them better, and driving the growth for the organization. That is why consumer insight really help us to create the people's profile, map their people's journey, to identify the touch points in order to enhance and build a comprehensive integrated marketing communication strategies and really optimize the consumer experience along the journey to drive the acquisition, retention, loyalty, and really sales, right? So for the marketing organization. At the third point, which I wanted to highlight, data-driven insights really can inspire the creative ideas. I wanted just to summarize. I believe strongly that consumer insight are the foundation of the modern, marketing campaign creation and optimization today because it make inform the decision, improve the targeting, drive the flawless consumer experience across the omnichannel, and deliver the results.